children, welcome to online education classes. Today we are going to learn for class 5 social science. Today again we are going to continue with chapter number 4, that is major landforms. The another landform on which we are going to discuss today is deserts. Now let us see what are deserts. Deserts. Now, deserts are land areas that receive very little rainfall. These areas have a dry climate, and from the name itself and from the location only you can assume that deserts they receive very less amount of rainfall, and also because of less amount of rainfall the area have dry climate. Now what all features it has? Does it have very hot days and cold night? As I told you that in plains we have read that the atmosphere, the plains as they have flat land, low land, so the land is fertile. But here in case of desert, when we say that deserts have very hot days and cold nights, because of the sand, the days are very hot because the sun rays when they directly fall on the sand, so thus it is very hot. But during night, that absorption of the that becomes very cold, the sand they becomes very cold during night, and that absorption also make the night very cold. So we can say that very hot days and cold nights are seen in deserts. Then frequent dust storms, we can say that the area or the desert they have frequent means continuously you will find there the dust storms are there because of the climate and also the weather. And as it is sandy area, so basically you'll find out that the dust storms are frequent. Then little vegetation due to less rainfall. As I told you that the area receives very less amount of rainfall. Due to this there you'll find that the vegetation is very less. The growing of crops, or we can say the vegetation comes under trees, plants, other things, flora, fauna, you'll find less over there. Then comes hills of sand are called sand dunes. When you will visit any sandy area place, or when you will visit any place like Rajasthan or any desert area place, you will see that there are lots of hills that are made up of sand. Those are known as sand dunes. Now let us see some of the another interesting features about desert. More deserts are located on the western side of continents and on the leeward side of mountains. As I taught you earlier also that due to leeward side the region becomes very dry because they are sheltered, the winds are sheltered from the mountains. The wind does not blow properly because of the shelter due to mountains. That is why, and this is only the reason that the most deserts are located in the western side of the continent and also in the leeward side of the mountains. We have some of the examples such as Thar Desert. Then we have Sahara Desert. Some of the examples when we talk about that is Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert. The Kalahari Desert, they are in Africa. Then we have the Great Sandy Desert and also the Great Victoria Desert, that is in Australia. And the Arabian Desert, that is in Asia. Thar Desert is one of the famous desert that is in Rajasthan. Then we have Atacama Desert and Patagonia Desert that you'll find in South America. So we have completed the topic related to desert. Now your today's homework is you are going to answer these questions in one word. In the next class we are going to discuss about the last landform that is left out, that is rivers. Thank you.